Hi guys, we're in Japan. Nasa temple kami ngayon.
You have the mic on?
There's Ryan. No. But there's no wind, so should be fine. Namamasyal kami ngayon. No, there you go. Kinabit lang namin yung mic para hindi nyo masyado marinig yung buha. No, not buhangin. Yung mga batuhan. Dito kami. Yan. Batuhan yung nilalakada namin. Look, oh.
Alright.
Temple siya. Look. Uh-huh.
That's the
Where?
main hall.
This
From what
one?
This
Main
one
hall?
is the main hall.
This one's the main hall. Pwedeng pumasok, kaso kailangan hindi maingay.
It's a
bawal-
national
bawal
treasure
din
from the
mag-vlog.
17th century, Kondo Main Hall.
Mhm.
It has Buddha statues inside, which are
may
all
Buddha.
placed in a specific way. Ladies and gentlemen, we got the shot. We got the shot. We are on a tripod. Feels very nice.
Hello! We're done taking pictures.
She just literally was about to tell me something, but as soon as I panned the camera, she just started saying something else. Why are you a nun?
So, kakalabas lang namin dyan sa temple. Bawal mag-video, so hindi ko na na-videohan. Buddha temple siya. Right? It's a Buddha
It's
temple.
not a Buddha temple.
Well,
Technically it is a temple. There used to be two, right?
mhm.
One on the east side and one on the west side.
Well, why
This
is
one-
there's a lot of Buddha statue inside if it's not a Buddha temple?
Well, this one used to be a protection temple.
Mm-hmm.
It used to practically be, oh, we're gonna protect the east and the west side. But this is the only temple that remains.
Oh, ito na lang pala na natitira.
The Toji temple practically means east temple. The west one no longer exists.
Let's go here. This one's the exit, right? I see. Ooh, I really need to buy some leather jacket. It looks so pretty. Pupunta na kami saan? Where we're going next?
Onto the bamboo forest
Bamboo Forest. Where is it?
in Kyoto. Well, we're gonna have to go and take the train.
Should we go to Don Quixote?
I'm gonna go to Don Quixote later.
Oh, I wanna go to Don Quixote.
But right now we're gonna go and see all the
Bamboo
temples. Well, we're gonna see the bamboo forest as well.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna go and walk to the park that is nearby, and then go and take the train over to Bamboo Temple.
Over to what?
Over to the bamboo
Temple.
forest. Sorry, bamboo forest to
But isn't there a lot of like,
cherry blossom.
oh my god, cherry blossom. Cherry blossom na patuyo na. Oh my god, ang ganda siguro nito kasi, ayun, lahat yung cherry blossom.
So we're going
Ito
to
na,
take a picture.
ito na lang natira. Ayan.
Oh, it smells so good. Come.
Oh my, ang bango niya. Finally, cherry blossom.
Just to let you guys know, I really do love cherry blossom. Not only because it's pink,
Mm-hmm.
but it just looks so pretty. She's gonna go and put some random pictures of cherry blossom like this, and then yeah, I really love it, and it smells good.
Uh-huh.
I came over here, literally just stood right beside it, and it's like so fragrant.
Uh-huh.
So nice.
It is. Ito, sa gabi, pupunta kami dito kasi puro lights yan, maganda. Right?
Yeah,
At night.
we're gonna come here later.
Yeah.
Oh, you can take a picture right there with the lights.
Yeah. Here. Ito, dito. Ito.
This one.
Ooh, are we allowed to go in here later at night? Oh, this is gonna look so
Yeah.
pretty.
But we have to go and pay for the
Gansa.
ticket again.
Yeah. Do you mind?
Unless you want to stay here in Tarragon.
No. Okay. Guys, oh. Ang ganda dito.
Ahí te vamos a hacer video. Allá. Sí, puedo hacer video y todo.
Ayan.
Pero estoy bien feliz porque acabo de ver mis dos cherry blossoms.
Titingnan lang namin. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda dito. Puro pink. Look. Ang ganda. Hopsy. Ang ganda. Oh, naglalakad-lakad lang. And tapos kakain kami mamaya. Kakapagod. Saka ng pa ako. Kanina pa kami naglalakad. Ay, at saka, never pa ako nakakita ng matabang Japanese dito. Never pa, never pa.
Look at me. Put my picture before and after. Look at me. Look,
What
look.
will? Oh, sige. Ay, ang ganda dito. Lamig ng hangin. Pero parang walang pollution talaga. Ay. Yun na. May no, hindi ambulansya. Oh my God.
Hello. Hello, kamusta ka?
Mabuti naman.
Buti.
Hello guys. Nakapila kami ngayon dito. Balik kami sa Toji Temple. Kaso, night lang. May mga ilaw. Maganda siya. Haba ng pila. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Ito na. Ito yung end of the line. Ang ganda niyan. Ito yung pinipilahan namin. Maganda sa loob siya. Yan. Si Ryan. Yan. Seryoso. Kasi malamig. Guys, tapos na kami mag-picture. Ito yung Toji Temple. Ano, hindi ito yung Toji Temple. Isa sa mga temple.
At night.
At night. So, woohoo! Lobot na. Si Ryan 2% na lang, ako 5%. In-update ko lang kayo. Ayan. Ang ganda niya. Diba? Pakita ko na lang sa inyo mga pictures na tinake namin. Bye-bye!
Bye.